Jupiter and Uranus are two of the largest planets in our solar system, and both have distinctive characteristics that make them fascinating objects of study for astronomers and space enthusiasts. However, what would happen if these two giants were to collide? The answer is complex and depends on several factors, such as the angle and speed of the collision, the composition of the planets, and the amount of energy released during the impact. To understand the potential consequences of a collision between Jupiter and Uranus, we first need to look at their respective properties. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of about 86,881 miles and a mass of 1.898 times 10 to the power of 27 kilograms. It is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium gas, with a small rocky core at its center. Jupiter's atmosphere contains colorful bands of clouds that are made up of various compounds, such as ammonia, methane, and water vapor. Uranus, on the other hand, is the seventh planet from the Sun and is smaller than Jupiter, with a diameter of about 31,518 miles and a mass of 8.68 times 10 to the power of 25 kilograms. Uranus is also composed mostly of hydrogen and helium gas, but it has a much higher proportion of ice and rock than Jupiter. The planet's distinctive blue-green color is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. If Jupiter and Uranus were to collide, the amount of energy released would be enormous, likely resulting in a massive explosion. The impact would also generate intense heat and shock waves, which could cause significant damage to nearby planets or moons. Depending on the angle and speed of the collision, the resulting debris could be ejected into space or form a new object. One possibility is that the collision could cause the two planets to merge and form a single, larger planet. However, this scenario is unlikely given the vast differences in the planet's compositions and structures. It is more probable that the collision would result in the destruction of one or both planets, leaving behind a debris field and potentially affecting the orbits of nearby objects. A collision between Jupiter and Uranus would be a catastrophic event, with the potential to cause significant damage and alter the dynamics of our solar system. While such an event is highly unlikely to occur, studying the possible consequences can help us better understand the physics of planet collisions and the behavior of the objects in our cosmic neighborhood. Viewers, if you enjoyed this video, then press like button, and if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks.